So in Arizona, we do basically fall cleaning instead of spring cleaning because our falls are so beautiful. So today I'm cleaning these windows and I'll show you my routine. First, I get a vacuum with an attachment and vacuum out the tracks in the window. A dust net, which has two sides. Okay. So sometimes there's places you can't reach. This is the double-sided EnviroWand. This is going to replace your Swiffers, and I can get up really high, and it bends, so I can bend it to where I need to go. I already cleaned the outside of the windows the other day, so now I'm going to do the inside. This is where my cat's noses have been, all over here. I have my EnviroCloth and have my window cloth. So I'll wipe that down, and this also removes bacteria. And then you're going to come back and follow with your window cloth, which polishes the windows. So this is the window mop pad, and you could attach it to the mop base and the EnviroWand handle. I got it wet. This is for getting high spots, and you could just use this to clean your windows. On the lower part, I will use my EnviroCloth and my window cloth.